Hello, good morning dear children. Open your textbooks, EVS textbooks we have to open today. EVS textbooks and page number 87. Today we have to start a new lesson. The name of My Safety. Before that I teach to you all I think cleaning habits means how you have to live, you have to cut your nails, do the brush, all the things at morning time, afternoon time and night time. There are the different habits to do, you have to do the different times. Okay, so now today we have to start a new lesson means My Safety. How you have to set, you have to care of yourself. Okay, you open the textbooks, page number 87. Interesting and a small lesson here. Open children. Okay, see these pictures. See the first picture on page number 87. Look at the picture above. Say why the girl finger is wounded. You are also a small child. At some time you are also doing dangerous things. If your elders with not with you at the time, your parents, your brothers, sisters, they are not with you that time, what you are doing, children's? Such a bad habits you are doing in your home. So see this lesson. After the teaching this lesson, you will understand the lesson means how we have to take care of ourselves, which things we have to touch and which things we don't have to touch. Okay, so let's start the lesson. What in the first picture, what mother is doing here? Mother and that girl, they are in kitchen. They are doing some work here. So what work is this? What she is doing here in mother? She is cutting radish, means some vegetable. In that there are some onion, carrot, tomato and radish. They are keep there. Maybe she is making some salad or whatever. So she is here cutting radish. And the girl is watching to her how she is cutting here. Okay, no? So in a second picture, what happened? If maybe some people came at outside or some phone calls came, so she went in the next room, means her hall, living room. So what happened here? That girl, she not stand only here. What she is doing here in the second picture, children? Observe and see. Give me the answers. What she is doing here? She is cutting the same radish here. Only first picture, she looks to her mother, what she is doing, how she is cutting that radish. In the second time, her mother is left on the next room. So what she's done here, she also take that knife and she took that knife there and she is cutting that radish. In a third picture, what happened? She cutted her finger. Why? Because she don't know how to cut, how we have to keep that radish and or whatever it may be. You also don't know how to cut the fruits and how to cut the vegetables. So don't do the such things. What happened here? She cutted her thumb, her finger, middle, second finger she cutted that. And in fourth picture, her mother gave the dressing and mounted to that bandage to that finger. Okay, so this is the bad habit what she's done here. This is a dangerous things. So keep it in mind, children. Don't touch to blade and knife, means sharp things. You should don't touch to them things. Okay, in the next picture they are giving here some things, some pictures. So you have to do that things. Okay, which are they? You have to write here the names of that things. So please take one pencil and write the names. These are the picture of some of these things which are used commonly in our house. Write their names in the boxes provided. Have you ever tried to use these things and why? Now here they are given some things. And if you know the names, write down. Otherwise, I am written here the names of that. I will explain it. You have to write the names. Please write correct spelling. Don't make any mistakes. And you know the things, children? Yes, maybe you know. Then for what purpose? If you touch to them, you have to write for what purpose you are using that things. Okay. First one, what is this? Here in the last picture they are shown here. So what is this, children's? Knife. This is a knife. Write down spelling K-N-I-F-E, knife. I have written here. You have to write the spelling. Okay. Next one, which thing is this? This is a blade. B-L-A-D-E, blade. I have written here. Next, third picture is hammer. H-A-M-M-E-R, hammer. Write the spelling correctly. Hammer. Okay, written. Next, fourth one here. Pestle and mortar. This is the pestle and mortar. Means at some time at some houses your parents still they are using such way. Instead of that we are now using a mixer of that pestle and mortar. Okay. This we have to piece of chutney you are making at your home. The same things, write the spelling of pestle and mortar there. Next one, scraper. What is this? This is a scraper. Scraper here I am written here. By using scraper, you are cutting the vegetables at your home. Yes or no? Are you seeing this scraper? Okay. Next one, this is a iron. I-R-O-N, iron. Write down here spelling. Next one, pair of scissors. What is this? This is a pair of scissors. For what purpose we are using? Cutting your clothes or by stitching uses, or sometimes you are making some craft or any other thing, you are using the scissors, pair of scissors. And lastly, common used in our houses is a gas stove. So write the correct spelling of these. Are you written, children? I am explaining again. Knife, blade, hammer, pestle and mortar, scraper, iron, pair of scissors and gas stove. These are all house using things are here which you see at every day in your house. But you don't use these such type of things, children. Okay? You don't use these things in your home. So next page, on page number 89. Explain these pictures. You can see children getting hurt in this picture below. Why are they getting hurt? Have you ever done anything careless before? How will you protect yourself from such dangerous? In a first picture, now I am explaining this. See these pictures in your book on page number 89. What here that boy is doing here, children? He is putting his hand in a hot boiling water. This is a dangerous thing. So you don't do such type of things. What he is doing here is putting his finger into a hot boiling water. In a second picture, what that girl is doing, she is taking her knife and she is cutting something to keep her hand, and she is cutting that. So that's why her finger is cutted here. In a third picture, what happened here? That boy, he walking without chappal. He is not wearing a shoes, so he is walking without shoes on a road. So some stone or whatever that something he broke to his leg. Next one. So do not throw such type of things on road. Here also, banana peel is here. Some people selling banana on road and they are throwing their peel on the road. So you don't do such type of things, otherwise you will fall on road directly. Next one, on the fifth picture, what is doing here? The leg is touching a electric switch. So he may get a shock, electric current. So keep mind, children, you also don't touch to the electric switch. Okay. This picture, what is doing here? He is seated on a terrace wall and he fell down. What will happen? He may get full of injured. Okay, no? So don't sit on a terrace wall. Okay. Next one, what is he? She is cutting something, keeping her hand, and she cutted her finger again. Knife, blade, such sharp things don't use, children. I am repeating again and again the same way. Because you are doing some things in your home. Right now you are now in home only. You are not coming to school this year. So that's why you are doing some such things. So don't do these things. Next one, in a last picture, what he is doing, that boy he is doing, he is keeping hammer in her hand, and what he is doing here, he is doing some furnishing work. So he is very small now, and so he is doing that with the use of hammer. He is doing some work. So you don't do this foolish habit in your home. So again here they are giving on page number 90. Here also that boy is doing a firecrackers. He is putting a firecrackers and stand very near to that firecrackers. So you also don't do the such type of things. Don't stand in front of a firecracker. Stand a long after side. Next one, don't throw the stone or ball to other person. It will be very harmful to them. Okay, these are the very careless things. So you don't do these things again and again. I am telling to you all. So we should not use a knife, a pair of scissors and a saw without help of elders. If you follow the advice of elders, we will never be in danger. Learn to use these things carefully with the help of your elders. If your elders are with you, then instead of them, what they are telling, see them and then you do help to them. Okay. Next one, do not throw piece of bangle, lead, glass piece in the playground or in your classroom. Bangle piece, sharp things is blade, glass pieces, do not throw in your school also and your home also. Take guidance of the teachers in the school when you are using a knife or a switch. Yes, you are in school, that time some teachers are telling to you, please on that button, please on that switch. So if they are telling, if they are watching towards you, then only you can do these things in your school also and in your home also, children. Make sure that there is no sharp things like pieces of glass and best things on the playground while you are playing. Yes, in our school there is also some playgrounds. So that time you are going to start to play. There is a PE period. You are going to play on the playground, but you are not observing on ground if there fall something, glass pieces, some bangle piece. Okay. Last one, there will be students who are younger you. Be cautious to see them, do not danger. Okay, means always should be care. You should have to take care of your surroundings also. Page number 91. Look at the given picture, put right mark for the correct action and cross mark for the incorrect action. Discuss the reason with your friends. This is your homework. I am telling only the answers, but you have to write in your home. Okay, page number 91. This is your homework, children. Which one is correct action? Make it right mark. And which one is incorrect action? Make it cross mark here. Here that girl, what is doing? She is taking a scissor in her hand and she is cutting something. So this is a bad habit, incorrect action. So make it cross mark here. Next one, he is using saw and hammer. With the help of them, he is doing something work here. So this is also an incorrect action. Next one, that boy is walking without shoe on the middle of the road. Backside is some bus, van is coming on the road. So this is a incorrect action. What we have to do always, walk on a footpath. Don't walk on the middle of the road. Next one, here what he is doing, she is standing at some distance and she is putting a candle with the use of, she is firing the crackers with the use of that candle. This is a correct action. And here that girl is keeping one handle, in one hand she keeping a candle and in other hand she is using that candle, she is firing a crackers. This is a incorrect action. Next one, here that girl is eating a banana. I told before that she is eating here banana and she thrown the peel of that banana on the road. This is a incorrect action here. And here next picture, again another girl, she is eating a banana and the peel of that banana she keeps in a dustbin. She throw that in a dustbin. So this is a correct actions. So in that way today we have finished a my safety lesson. This is very important to you all. What is the main point in that lesson, children? Develop a personal safety habits in your local environment and your home, your school also. Okay, means sharp things, hot things, electric things, you don't touch to them, okay, without your elders guidance. So read this, try to read this lesson in your home and make it the homework on page number 91. Okay, today we have to stop here. We will continue in our next lesson in our next class. Okay, thank you children.